Okay, so for this tutorial, we will be continuing the previous tutorial, which deals with shell decision making. Okay, so as we have learned on the previous tutorial, so we have the if-else statement and the case esac statement for decision making. Okay, so if you will be using a multiple if-else ladder, okay, for decision making, you can actually use the if else statement for you to develop this one. But there is also one decision making that you can use for that kind of cases. Okay, so we call this one as the case esac statement. You can use multiple elif statement to perform a multi-way branch. However, this is not always the best solution, especially when all of the branches depend on the value of a single variable. So the Linux shell supports this case esac statement, which handles exactly this situation, and it does so more efficiently than repeated if elif else statement. There is only one form for case esac statement, which has been described on this given tutorial. Okay, so we're going to create a new file, nano009.sh. Okay, so we will be implementing it here, the case esac. So let's type here exclamation point bin sh. Okay, so for this we will be using the case esac, which is the reverse of the word case statement. Okay, so the syntax for this one, the syntax is you will be using the keyword case followed by the word that you want to check, okay, and the keyword in. Okay, then after that you will be declaring here what should be the pattern of the word that you are looking into it. So for example, pattern 1, okay, followed by a closing parenthesis. And on this given block, you can now declare here the different statement or statements to be executed. Okay, this will be okay. Then after you have declared all of the statement or statements to be executed, you can close this one by typing or adding 2 semicolons. Okay, so if you have like pattern 2, closing parenthesis, then all of the statement or group of statements to be executed will be enlisted here. Okay, then end it with double semicolon. Okay, so now there is also this what we call the the default condition to be executed just in case that the pattern that you want is not existing on the listed pattern. Okay, so it will be asterisk close parenthesis. So this will be the default condition to be executed. Okay, also you need to terminate this one by using 2 semicolons. Okay, then to end this statement, we're going to enclose it with esac. Okay, so let's have an example. For example, I will be checking for a pattern of the different fruits. Okay, let's say I'll be typing here fruit, okay, equal to kiwi. Okay, so now since I will be looking for this fruit, so I'll be typing the keyword case followed by the word, okay, the word fruit variable, then in keyword. Okay, so the first pattern, for example, the first pattern will be I'm looking for pattern apple. Okay, then if this will be true, okay, I will just going to echo the fruit is apple. Okay, then to end this one, I'm just going to add 2 semicolons. Then for the next one, for example, I have banana. Okay, then echo the fruit is banana. Okay, then to end this, I will be ending up with double semicolon. Then the next pattern, for example, it will be the pattern kiwi. Okay, then close, then echo the fruit is kiwi. Okay, so ending it with 2 semicolon. So for example, I don't have, or I will be setting up the default pattern or the pattern which is not existing on the list. Okay, so I will be just typing here echo the fruit cannot be found on the list. Okay, then ending this one with 2 semicolon and ending the whole statement by the word esac. Okay, so let's try to run this. Save. Okay, chmod 777.009.sh. Okay, so then run that slash 009.sh. So the fruit is kiwi. So the kiwi was selected because the pattern that we have assigned to the variable fruit is kiwi. So let's try to change the pattern kiwi, and I'll be changing this one into apple. Okay, then save this. Okay, then run. The fruit is apple. Okay, so lastly, if I want to change it, like for example, is I want to change it into orange. Okay, so We all know that there is no orange on the list, so we are expecting that the output will be the fruit cannot be found on the list. Okay, so thank you for listening on this given tutorial. So if you have any question, you can just send me your questions or inquiry through messages. Okay, and see you on our next tutorial. Thank you very much.